Welcome to section 3, gold futures example. To make this more concrete, let's walk through a practical example using a gold futures contract. Imagine you have a gold futures contract that represents 100 ounces of gold. With gold being priced at $2,670 per ounce, the total contract value is $267,000. Now, here's where it gets interesting. You don't need $267,000 in your account to make this trade. Let's say the exchange sets the initial margin at $11,550. That's only 4.3% of the total contract value. This means you can effectively control $267,000 worth of gold with only $11,550. It's crucial to note that while this capital efficiency can create opportunities for larger potential gains, this risk exposure is significantly greater than your initial investment.